If you are using the wrong ad objective, chances is that you are likely going to get the wrong results. So in this video, I'm going to show you the various campaign objectives that the Facebook ad objective that we have and when we should use it. So sit back and relax as I proceed. Information you get to a conducive environment. And don't forget that at the end of this video, you should like, subscribe, like, and then share this video so that others can as well come and learn. So let's get into the Ads Manager. Let's see what we have there. Okay. So here is it. For you to select the ad objective for your campaign, you need to go to this button here, the create button here. Click on the create button. It's loading now. These are the objectives. As we have different kind of campaign objective. We have the awareness, the traffic, the engagement, the lead, app promotion, then sales objective. So I'm going to walk you through each of them and then explain when you should use each of them. Because most of the time when you use the wrong one, chances is that you are going to get the wrong result. Why do I say so? If, for instance, you want to sell a product like ads, you want to sell a product, and then you are running awareness campaign with the hope that when somebody sees it, the person will buy. I'm sorry, Facebook does not work like that. However, it is a machine, and this machine they have programmed it to study how each and every one of us behave. So when you send a message, when you are setting up your campaign, you are sending the machine a message. You are telling the machine, this is what I want to do. So the machine will work according to what you send. It is not how you feel that it should work that it is going to work. So let's get started. The very first thing we have here is the awareness campaign. So what does awareness campaign do, and when should you use the awareness campaign? Well, like the name, awareness. It is to create awareness, maybe for your business, for your brand, for your church. The purpose of this particular campaign is to create awareness, to let people know that so thing is going on, so thing will be going on also. Maybe take for instance, you see when Coca-Cola are advertising, maybe a company like Indomie, when they are advertising, you don't see them at the end they say come and buy, come and buy, come and buy. No, they don't do that. What they majorly do is to put their logo, put the benefit of what they are doing in your presence. Now, what those big companies do, they don't basically run a campaign to sell their product immediately. They run a campaign to remain in the mind of the people. That is awareness. So they keep on creating awareness for a lot of persons to see. But you are a small business owner. Do you have money to run that kind of campaign? You have money to run a big campaign where you can put in billions of naira to run campaign so that people will just be seeing you, not that you want them to just come directly from the website to come and buy. You just want them to be seeing your product so that you will be in the mind. Of course, when you be in the mind of the people, people will definitely remember you when they need such products. So this awareness is basically for big companies that have huge amount of money to spend on campaign. However, there are cases where you need to run this awareness campaign. You can decide to do it in a day, maybe in a day, maybe 2 days. Maybe you just create a new Facebook page or you just create a new Instagram page. You just want people to see you. So what you need to do is create maybe a video or maybe a write-up that teaches a particular thing. You want to use this one to build authority in the minds of the people. So what you do is that when you create this particular content, you use this awareness to push it to a lot of persons. So that is where awareness, that is where a small business owner like you and I can use awareness, not the regular way the big companies are using. The big companies that have a a lot of money to spend on ad. So the next one is this particular traffic. Traffic is when maybe you want to send the traffic to a particular website, a particular blog for people to read message. Some person when you're starting out there, you like before back then, traffic usually work. When you choose traffic and then you run a campaign, you might likely make sense. But the every day the machine is changing, they are configuring the machine to change. So this traffic, if you're running it now, you may not likely get sales. You might not likely get sales. It will be difficult. So at the end of the day, you say you're wasting your money running traffic advert in this particular objective. So the best way that this traffic works is when you have a blog post, you want people to just go to your website, you just go and read your blog post. Maybe you just need traffic to your site. So that is the best time to use this particular objective. The next objective is engagement. You want people to engage with your page. You want people to like, engage with your page. Then you can go for this particular campaign. You want them to engage, to like and comment. This is part of the thing that built authority. This particular one also built authority. So when people engage in your page and then I come to your page and see that a lot of persons have been engaging, yes, a lot of persons have been engaging, have been interacting, commenting, liking, yes, then I will likely want to patronize you because I think you are credible. That's why a lot of persons are engaging in your post and all that. So you can go ahead and be using engagement campaign, engagement objective if you want likes, a comment and all that.
So if you are getting value, what will stop you from letting others come and get value from this channel? Do well to share this video, comment, and then you can get to a large number of persons. There are some persons that are finding it difficult to have this to do this. So why not share this video to them? Why not comment? Why not use the share button on social media and you are just sharing it so that you can get to a lot of persons that can come and learn.
This is before I talk about this, let me come to this. This one, this app promotion. This app promotion is a situation whereby you want people to go to from Facebook go to your app store or any of your website and download a app. So when you are promoting app, this is your objective to use. When you are advertising for people to go and download a particular app, maybe develop app, so you want people to go and download that app. This is the objective to use. So based on small business owners, these two objectives, the least objective and the sales objective, is the major objective that a small business owner like you and I should be using. Let's say you're an affiliate marketer, a real estate agent or something. You are selling a product that you know that people might not, the people when you advertise, people will not likely buy at that particular spot. Maybe you say a product that, the minimum wage in my country, I'm using my country for example, called Nigeria. The minimum wage is around 30,000. That is less than around $20. So now, in a situation whereby you know that what you are selling, someone cannot just wake up and buy that particular thing at that time without the person knowing you. This person does not know. This person just meet you for the very first time. So instead of you to spend money trying to advertise for these people to just buy that thing at the spot, what you do is use this lead objective to run your advert. What you do is this is that you bring those people, you gather those people, maybe put them in your WhatsApp or in your email list, have somewhere you keep them, then use this particular objective, you run advice, send them to a particular place, then from there you will be feeding them with information about your product. At the end of the day, they will buy. That is for the lead objective. You call them out, put them somewhere, then advertise to them. Every day you'll be telling them about your product. Maybe in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, they will buy. Just have somewhere. It could be email list, it could be WhatsApp, it could be Telegram, it could be Facebook groups. So just have them somewhere where you'll be telling them about your product. Well, those ones are leads. So this is the objective for you to use. This particular objective, the lead objective, is the right objective for you to use. The next objective, remember we have talked about the app. The next objective is this one. This is the Oga Pata Pata of them all. I don't know if you are Nigeria. If you are Nigeria, you should understand what I mean. This is the biggest objective. This is the leader of all these other objectives. It is the sales objective. It is the highest. And for you to use this objective effectively, you need a pixel. I already recorded a video training on the how to create your pixel on personal ad manager. You go and look for it in this particular channel and then watch it. So this particular objective is the objective you should use if you are selling a product that you know people can buy at instant. People can just see it and buy. This is the one the e-commerce guys they use. They use this one to sell the product at instant. Maybe your product is maybe 50,000, 30,000. You know that anybody can just see this product and then buy, place order, you follow up, and then the person can buy at instant. This is the objective to use. When you are selling a product, you know somebody cannot just buy at that instant. Don't try to use this product. Use leads. Keep them somewhere. Have somewhere to keep them. Then at the end of it, keep telling them, creating content. It could be video content, it could be text, it could be in any form. You just be giving them. But if you are selling a product like e-commerce guy, maybe you are selling a physical product, or maybe even it could be a digital product, and you know that this particular product, someone can buy it instantly. Someone can just see this. It's a product that someone can just see and then place an order. Now, imagine you are selling a car. Just imagine you are promoting a car, and then you want to run advert. And we advise instead of you to waste money because this one charges higher than every other one. Instead of to waste money to run this kind of advert, you run this advert because I don't know. Car is not something I will just see you at this particular time and then I just because I saw the advert on Facebook, I will just go through the website and then I place order and buy that car. No, it is not little money that someone can just buy like that. So if I'm selling something that is kind of something that you know that your audience they are capable of buying, you should know do your market research to know your audience, to know your ideal customer that they can buy that particular product at that particular and then you should go for this objective. This particular objective. It will help you. So now we can say that we have around about 6 different objectives: the awareness, the traffic, the engagement, the leads, app, and sales. And I've spent time to explain them one after the other. So now let me ask you, what have you learned so far? I hope this particular video has helped you. If it has helped you, then why can't you just share this particular video, then subscribe to this channel so that we can as well learn together.